Here we go. So here's my video just to have a look at what might be going wrong here with my Note 4 and my gear. So here's my gear. Just switch it on. Okay, so we have a standard gear watch face going on here. If I just scoot over to the apps, you can see that wearable widgets is installed there. And if I now go into settings and go to clock, what I'll do is I'll just switch it onto the wearable widgets clock. And if we pop home there, so far there is no clock for it to load. So if I just go over to my device here, switch that on, what I've done is I've put a clean install of wearable widgets on here, and you can see Zooper up there. And if I go into the gear manager, okay, so in my apps, clearly see wearable widgets is there, and home screen styler and clock, there it is as selected as the clock. So if I now just pop into wearable widgets, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a widget with Zooper 2x2, and I'm going to load up just a bulletware wallpaper onto that. I'm just going to check some of the settings in global preferences here, just to show you there. I've got the standby updates thing checked in wearable widgets. So if I pop back into wearable widgets here and I go into the settings, I've got all these little guys checked. So invisible updates, keep widgets running, show notification on handheld, and then in my Tizen settings I've got that one unchecked. So clock face is going to update in the background, hopefully. So I'm going to come out of that, and I'm going to just reset the connection here. So hopefully that's taken effect. I'm just going to pop into the Zooper widgets options as well, just to show here that I've definitely got the standby updates thing installed. And then back into wearable widgets here, and as we can see, it's correct at the present time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the device off, and then we'll come back to this in a few minutes and see how it looks.